Hey there everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Ggives balance into your Gcash without using GPO. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so quick note before we start, Ggives is a loan service inside Gcash. So that means you are technically borrowing, and the funds can only be spent in supported merchant. So there is no direct one-click way to move it into your Gcash wallet, but there is a secret trick you can use. Alright, so here's how. Go to your store or online shop that accept Ggives as your payment option. For example, Lazada, Shopee, Glow One, or certain physical store. So instead of buying product, purchase something that can be converted back to Gcash, like Glow, gift card, or e-wallet credit. Alright, so for example here, you can buy prepared load and then sell it to someone who will pay you through Gcash. Once you use your Ggives to pay, you will get the equivalent value back in Gcash when the person sends you money or when you redeem a gift card or e-load. And that's it. While Ggives isn't designed to directly cash out, this workaround lets you convert its safety into Gcash without using GPO. Thanks for watching.